Hello my dear friends, today I'm going to tell you the recipe of a pancake, so let's start. First, crack 2 eggs in a bowl. Add in 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. You can also use simple sugar by grinding it at home. Whisk it well until it forms a foamy mixture. Whisk well until it forms a foamy mixture and changes its color. Next, add 4 tablespoons of white flour and mix it well with a spatula. Add in milk to change the consistency of it to a little liquidy. Add in 1/4 a teaspoon of baking powder and mix well. Line a non-stick pan with little oil and spread it all over. Pour in the mixture and spread it all over the pan. Keep it on low flame. Place the cap over it for 5 minutes and then flip it. Finally, the pancake is ready. Enjoy it! If you liked our video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive the notifications for our upcoming videos. Thank you and bye-bye.